Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming system readiness. Check Windows 7 Edition and install Service Pack 1 if needed, then create a restore point. Once done, open Control Panel and go to Personalization to change themes. You start with built-in options because they are safest, high contrast, and basic arrow color settings. Make sure to back up any custom settings. This prevents lost tweaks. Now select a high contrast theme or click Window Color to access the first actionable interface controls for darker colors. You now move into detailed execution. Pick a high contrast theme and edit individual color slots, background, text, hyperlinks to true dark values. Once done, open Window Color and Advanced Appearance settings to darken title bars, menus, and tooltip backgrounds for consistency across apps. If built-in tweaks aren't enough, consider a third-party visual style. Use UX Theme Patcher to enable unsigned themes, or install Window Blinds for a supported dark skin. Make sure to read install prompts and follow step-by-step to avoid conflict. You finish by ensuring changes persist. Restart Explorer. EXE or reboot to apply every visual tweak. Once done, apply dark themes inside individual apps and browsers to cover elements that Windows theme cannot change. Make sure to adjust contrast and font sizes if readability suffers. If something breaks, use your restore point to roll back quickly or uninstall any theme utility. One key troubleshooting tip: if visual glitches appear, boot to safe mode and remove third-party theme software before undoing system-level changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.